Let's go in a little closer. I want you to hear a little bit of sound. Okay. Shakes a little bit on this card table at that speed, and this is all the way down. The video doesn't really do justice to how slow that is. Here it makes a bit of a buzzing noise. Back up to high. Spin down. All right, let's turn him around. Try and do a startup sound up on this piece. So here we go. So there you go. So we'll continue working on the grills, get the rust off of those, and then we'll reassemble it. We'll do a final look. Let's do our amp draw on high. Goes up to 3.2. Comes down a little bit. 2.5. It says, you can't see that, so this should be at 2.5. So that's not bad. Let's go down to half and see if the draw changes at all. It went up as it went down. So now it's actually pulling a little bit more on low. That's about half. It's coming down a little bit. It's pulling about the same power at half speed. That's 6 o'clock on the dial here. That's half speed right there. So now let's go 9 o'clock. Right now it's not doing anything. So that's high. I turned it down, but it didn't change. Turn it down, but it hasn't changed. Turn it down again. It's not changing. So this now is not working at all. Turned it off. That's very strange. Alright, so as soon as this warmed up even a tiny bit, the variable speed stopped working. Let's try it again. That's on. Off, on. You hear it click. That's the high position. Turn it down. No change. change. Put it down. No change. This doesn't seem to be doing the variable speed anymore. Not sure why that would be, but that's what it's doing. So that's unusual. Don't know what to expect with this, but it doesn't seem to be working properly. Now that we've got it back together and oiled up, the speed isn't changing at all. So it was a second ago. You saw it. I saw it too. So I don't know what's going on with our speed dealie. Wonder if this is heating up at all. There's no heat coming off of that. So I don't know why it's doing that. That should be low speed. Okay, now it's doing it. Okay, that's just weird. I went right down to the low speed. I'm gonna go to off. Stop it. Pretty heavy. I'm gonna go to high. Bring it back down to low. It's not changing. Weird. So there's no way to know what's going on. So maybe a summer project would be to take this switch thing apart and see why it's not doing what it's supposed to be doing. I don't know either way. I suspect that this, with the round shape of it and what it does, it probably works something like that thing. So yeah, that's weird. Let's see if we can do it, get it to start and do medium. I'm going to bring it to like 8 o'clock. Okay, and there it seems to do it. But when you start it up on high, it doesn't seem to change speeds. It's really weird. So let me let this get up to speed and see if it'll go a little higher or a little lower. Right now we're at 8. Let's bring it down. It did slow down a little bit. Okay, we'll go back to 6 o'clock on the dial. That's 6 o'clock on the dial. All right, let's bring it up to 3 o'clock on the dial. That went quite a bit faster. Let's see if it'll slow back down. No, it doesn't. Let's see if it'll go faster to high. It seems to be maxed out, really. And that's off. So anyway, it's spinning down nice, and when it's doing, when it does the low speed, that's nice, but it doesn't seem to slow down after high if you let it run at high. That's a little strange. But of course I have no idea how any of this works, so I'm not surprised that I don't know what's going on. It's just a strange problem to have. So anyway, I'm going to keep working on the grills a little bit, and we'll see what's next. Probably the thing to do would be to take all this apart and see if any connections need to be cleaned. I don't know. Who knows? If you know anything about variable speed switches and why that might be happening, let me know. And thanks for watching. Hey!